Hello guys, welcome back with me Julio from Cipro Crypto Advisor. And in this current video, I want to do a quick update about Bitcoin, especially in based on the weekly candle that has just been closed for about two days ago at Monday, and I admitted that I was too late for this video, guys. Okay, I feel so sorry because it comes very late right now because we have some issue on my trading view lately. So here we go, guys. Let's get started to this video, and here we are at the weekly chart from the Bitcoin base analysis price. Okay, just like what I've said to you earlier on my previous video, that if you remember this video here, okay, at my Twitter, you can see that I said that there is a possibility for the Bitcoin to test the 11,500, and then there is a possibility for a Bitcoin to form a clear rejection, okay, based on the previous price action. It looks like it is this candle formation is going to occur. Here it is. Look at this price action here. The price is trying to break out the 11,500, and then but at the next week it end up again with this current type of bearish engulfing candle on the weekly, based on the weekly chart. Okay, and maybe we should see at the 2 weeks. Okay, at the 2-week chart we can see that there is a double wick here, which is very bearish in my opinion. And then after this occur, you can see that we end up going down for around 67% at the bottom. Okay, so here it is, guys. This is what I will tell you about my opinion, what could occur on this Bitcoin. Okay, so in my opinion, at the weekly chart, let's first come back to the weekly chart, and I want to activate the 200 moving average, 89 EMA, 55 EMA 34, and the 21 EMA. Okay, just like what is usual. Okay, and of course the volume first. Okay, so we can see that this blue line is the 21 EMA. Yes, okay, this 21 EMA. Yellow is 34 EMA, and the other is 55 and 89 EMA. And we can see that the lower period of the EMA has crossing up the higher period of the EMA, okay, such as the 21 crossing up the 34 crossing up to the 55, and the 55 has crossing up the 89 EMA. Okay, and we can see that we have the price is moving really far away from this current region. Okay, it is 61% from the 21 EMA on the weekly chart, and at the daily chart. okay, first I want to see the 2 days chart first. Okay, it is fairly the same here. Okay, the slower EMA has already closing up the higher EMA. Okay, and we can see that we can see that the RSI is starting to losing momentum here. You can see this could happen right now. Okay, higher high on the price, but there is a more probability for a lower high on the RSI. How is the MACD? The MACD is looking very phenomenal right now, and I see that there is a uh, a level for the histogram at the 231 here, and it is the current MACD histogram is trying to breaking up this 231 region, okay, to to confirm the breakout and the bull run, okay. And looking at the daily chart, is pretty pretty much the same in my opinion, okay. The RSI here, yes, the RSI has a possibility to form a lower high on the RSI, which means a slower momentum, and we can see the histogram here, guys. The histogram here, okay, it is still trying to challenge this current 241 level for the histogram here, which is very very bullish in my opinion for current price right now, okay. But if if we can if the next day, I mean tomorrow, we can see that the histogram has surpassed this current level. Oh, wait, I will change the color. What color are you? Maybe this is better. Yes, if we see this MACD form like this, okay, and crossing up the current 245 level, it means that the price will be very bullish and we will challenge the next resistance at the higher time frame, guys, okay. So right now my sentiment is still very bullish, okay. I will be very bullish until the histogram on the daily chart or on the 2 day candle has ticking down for the first time. Until that, I will be very bullish, okay. And here we go, guys. I will show you something very extraordinary here. Looking at these two horizontal line here, guys, okay. The first one is the first red horizontal line is the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, and the second one, which is around 11,500, is the 50% Fibonacci retracement, okay, guys. And we can see at the daily overview here, okay, and see that this is moving very parabolic here. Where is this, guys? It moves just like this. Oh, wait. Look at this curve. Okay. Maybe around this area. It is moving curving, like it forms a curving up line, okay. This is very parabolic in my opinion, okay. Remember this, guys. Whenever we see a very parabolic bull run here, the next possible correction phase will be very hard, okay. It means that there is still a possibility for the Bitcoin to test the current support like 10,000 or 9,500 region, and I believe that if the Bitcoin is can retest this to support, it will be a very hard jump in my opinion. So we have just to be very cautious at this level of current price, guys. So I will show you another possibility here, okay. Whenever we see price moving up like this, I will looking for as much as possible the next the resistance level, and I found this current resistance trend line, which is very I've seen two rejection here around this area, which is occur at the June 22nd and June 23rd. Okay, we have seen this current rejection here, pretty hard rejection in my opinion, and for the intraday trader like me. And uh, we are trying to test again this level right here for around 11,500. Okay, and whenever I see a rejection from this area, um, I will be hoping that the kind of bearish engulfing candle to form, or even the shooting star to form, and uh, I will trying to short it. Okay, and but after but when we see the breaking out of this level here of this current resistance trend line, it will indicate that the bull is very strong right now. Okay, so it's okay for me to wait right now. Okay, and I will assume that this could be a parallel channel. Okay, in my opinion, with this area as a bear trap region here. This area could be a bear trap region, in my opinion. Okay, this area could be a bear trap region. So I will be waiting until the Bitcoin has uh, until the price, until the price showing us some rejection toward this current resistance trend line, or this resistance here, and I will be shorting it and targeting for around this area. Okay, yes, for I will be targeting at the 50% Fibonacci retracement, or 382 Fibonacci retracement at least. Okay, because I think that this could be a easy 1 2, this could be a 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, this could be the third wave going up, this could be the fourth going down, and we are coming to the fifth wave going up. It still makes sense for me, because yes, this is my best count for the Elliott wave. It makes sense for me, because we see another lower, that the RSI is losing momentum right now. Look at this area, guys. This is the current area here, and we are clearly losing momentum right now. Okay, and the MACD is looking pretty same here. I don't think that we are going to cross this current level for the MACD histogram, and I will looking for any sign of the weaknesses for this price. Okay, right now I'm just waiting, guys, whether the price is going to break out this current resistance, or we have a rejection confirmation at this resistance. Okay, if we have the rejection confirmation, I will very happy to open any short position. Okay, this will be my risk to reward for my trade setup on short. For a possibility of short here, I will my stop will be very tight for around 4% for trading, for the swing trade, and I will target in this at this current region. Okay, look at this risk to reward ratio is pretty huge in my opinion. Okay, but if the price has breaking out at this from this resistance, I will looking at the zoom out here, and I will looking for the next possible resistance here. The next possible resistance will be around, look, let us see, the next possible resistance will be around at the golden golden pocket zone. Here it is, guys. This is the next possible resistance here. You can see at around 13,500. Okay, I will open a long position. Okay, get this. Maybe I need to zooming out this current chart. Okay, if the price is breaking out of this current resistance, I will looking for long position around this area here, and I will be targeting at around the maybe under the golden pocket zone, which is around 16%, and my stop will be very tight here at around 3.6%. It's okay for me, and the risk to reward ratio is the 4.37 times. Okay, so right now I will be more like waiting at this game, and I won't do anything for my current position here. Okay, because we are still trending at the pretty hard resistance right now, pretty major resistance, which is very relatively strong usually, and I will for me I will be very more interesting, I mean I will be more interesting if the price if we get the confirmation for the short, because it will make this chart a little bit healthier. Okay, and besides the risk to reward ratio is better than when we open a long position at this breakout, because at the breakout we usually see any kind of the bull trap or the bear trap region, guys. Okay, so that's all my update for today. So thank you, and don't forget to like this video, give it a comment, or subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, guys.